So no more Lupercalia. Yo, Lawrence.
In the study, you went over chapter 5, verse 13, where it says, "These things I write to you that you may know that you have eternal life." A lot of people from the Reformed tradition have used this in discussions with me to show that there is an assurance of salvation. Can you comment on the semantic force of know?
To know.
To know that you have eternal life.
The word there is going to be gnoste, in the sense of knowledge. And gnoste means know, as I understand it, in the same sense that we use the word knowledge, and you will know that you have eternal life. I think if it was to say that we have absolute mathematical certainty, they would have used a much more precise word. You will have, in Greek there are words like this, sure and certain absolute knowledge that you will be saved. I think know is a little bit too vague to say absolute certainty. That's my take on the word. I know that the sun will rise tomorrow. I have pretty good knowledge that it'll be sunny tomorrow, but I could be wrong about that. Okay, and I think it's know in that sense of the word. And what the question Lawrence is asking is a significant one in our dialogue with other Christian groups, which come out of the Calvinist tradition. They may not know they're coming out of the Calvinist tradition. In the Calvinist tradition, there's the elect who are certain, there's the reprobate who don't have certainty, a sort of dualism in their worldview. As a historian, I'm inclined to challenge that kind of interpretation of salvation. History is full of extremely holy and devout people who have become absolute skunks, and absolute skunks who have become holy and devout persons. So I'm inclined not to agree that our knowledge of our salvation is ever an absolute thing. Now I realize that some of our fundamentalist friends, I'm actually in dialogue with a gentleman at this very point in time, on this point would say, well, that's why you're in danger, Father Greg, because you don't have absolute knowledge. Such a position, I think, would make salvation only for the very few. And instead I would say, no, it's Catholicos, it's for the many. That's my quick take on it.